How to solve 3D mark invalid score issue. So if you want to solve your 3D mark invalid score issue, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your NVIDIA application. After opening, you will get this kind of interface. You need to go with Manage 3D Settings, which will be on the left side. And from here, you need to just scroll down a bit. Make sure that you're on your global settings. Here, you need to restore your global settings. Go with Restore, which will be on the bottom, and it says that this will reset all of your values for your NVIDIA Global Settings tab. They will be reset to the values that the software shipped with. So if you want to do this, then you just need simply go with Yes and then reset. Once you've restored, you just need simply go with Apply, which will be on the bottom, and your problem will be fixed. You can go back and then run your benchmark again and check if the issue is resolved or not. You should only use valid results when comparing benchmark. So that's it. With this, your problem will be fixed. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.